So this is the infamous Prince Hall, Ben Tippett. This dude and all his mates are like the generation before us. Look what the bro was just showing me. It's an analog dog. I was like, what's this? Tell us what it is, mate.
We set up with turny there and your mixer there and your thing there and your cans there. It's the analog dog for old analog dogs, I think.
Don't need a USB for this one. To use the analog dog, you don't need USB-C. Ben Tippett, yeah, he's a legend in the game. Happy to learn from people with experience in the field. I might take this and sell it at the exhibition. I always got time for Ben. Really helped me kind of get Sky Pirates off the ground. If we're keen, would you be keen to play a set?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to having him and the boys, the Ariki sound. Fuck yeah, that'll be choice. Looks like we've got the lineup sorted for the December 2nd. Ariki sound. Uncle Mark, guess what, mate? You're playing. Kia ora, brother. Do you have any analog dog turntable stands?
Is it a brand name, Analog Dog?
This lovely couple, Ben and Naomi, they're running this little print shop to help artists like myself trying to get this stuff framed, make artist prints for you guys to buy, and he's like charging good prices because he's an artist himself. I think people are going to be happy with that because it's all this fine detail that we usually lose. Mean, bro. Oh, I'm doing an exhibition in Morningside.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, if you're around Morningside, December 2nd, come through.
Oh, yeah, very much. Thank you so much. You have a lovely day.
Likewise. We got an exhibition on December the 2nd in Morningside if you want to come along. Good omens. I've made 2 phones. Simpsons Christmas Special is available.
I'll be in touch, man.
Yeah, whatever one feels right to you, hit it and let me know. Sweet East.
Don't put me in that promo. I'm a real camera shy.
We won't. See you, brother. See you. We're here at Blue Rose Cafe, you know, a local spot here in Sandringham.